how to turn on or turn off category on profile on Twitter PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to your profile right here on Twitter. Now all what you have to do is click here. As you can see right now I have my category here, and all what you have to do is click edit profile, scroll down, click edit professional profile. Now from here you can show your category or don't show it if you want it. So click here, and now it's not showing anymore, as you can see. Let's make it back again. Click here, and here you go. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.